What if I told you that the life you dream about is already possible for you? The body, the money, the success, the respect, the peace. It's all possible, but there's one thing standing in your way. You, not your family, not your past, not your situation, not your lack of money. You, and deep down, you already know it, because every single night before you sleep, there's a voice inside your head saying, you could do more. You feel it when you wake up late. You feel it when you waste hours scrolling. You feel it when you watch other people win while you stay stuck in the same place. And today, that changes, because this video is not just motivation. This is a wake-up call. Let me ask you something. How many dreams have you destroyed because of fear? How many opportunities did you miss because you kept waiting for the perfect time? You keep saying, I'll start tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes next week. Next week becomes next year. And suddenly, years are gone. Listen carefully. Most people don't fail because they're not talented. They fail because they never start. They spend their entire life preparing instead of doing. Reading books without taking action. Watching motivational videos without changing habits. Talking about success without working for it. And one day, they wake up with regret. Not because life was hard, but because they never gave themselves a real chance. Do not become that person. You want confidence? Confidence is not built by watching videos. Confidence is built when you survive hard days. When you keep going even when nobody claps for you. When you work while others sleep. When you fail and still continue. That's where confidence comes from. Everybody loves the idea of success, but nobody talks about the loneliness. Nobody talks about the sacrifices. Nobody talks about the nights where you feel tired, confused, and mentally broken. But understand this. Pain is not your enemy. Pain is your teacher. The gym hurts before the body changes. Studying hurts before success comes. Discipline hurts before life gets easier. Everything changes the moment you stop running away from discomfort. Because comfort is dangerous. Comfort makes people average. Social media has destroyed so many dreams. Because people are too busy comparing their beginning to someone else's ending. You look at successful people and think, why not me? But you don't see the years of struggle behind their success. You see the reward. You don't see the sacrifice. Everybody wants the results. Very few people want the process. And that's why very few people actually succeed. Your journey is different. Stop worrying about being behind. Some people become successful at 20, some at 40. The timing doesn't matter. What matters is that you never stop moving forward. Even small progress matters. 1 hour of study matters. 1 workout matters. 1 disciplined day matters. Because small actions repeated every day create massive results. There is one habit quietly destroying your future. Excuses. I am tired. I don't have time. I'll do it later. I'm not ready. Listen, your excuses may sound valid, but there are still excuses. There are people succeeding with less money than you, less support than you, less confidence than you. So what makes them different? Mindset. Winners focus on solutions. Losers focus on excuses. Life will never become easier. You must become stronger. And the moment you take full responsibility for your life, everything changes. Because power begins the moment excuses end. Motivation is temporary. You feel motivated today and lazy tomorrow. That's why motivation alone will never change your life. Discipline will. Discipline is waking up when you don't feel like it. Discipline is studying when your mind wants entertainment. Discipline is working on your dream when nobody believes in you. And let me tell you something powerful. Your future self is watching you right now. The person you want to become is created by the decisions you make today. Every action matters. Every wasted hour matters. Every excuse matters. You are either building your dream or building your regret. Choose carefully. I know life gets hard. I know sometimes you feel lost. Maybe you tried before and failed. Maybe people laughed at your dreams. Maybe you're fighting battles nobody knows about. But listen to me carefully. Do not quit. You're closer than you think. Sometimes life tests people the hardest right before the breakthrough. The darkest nights create the strongest people. And one day, the pain you feel today will become the strength people admire tomorrow. Your story is not over yet. Read that again. Your story is not over yet. There comes a moment in life where talking is no longer enough. A moment where you must decide, will you continue making excuses, or will you finally become the person you promised yourself you would be? Nobody is coming to save you. Nobody will magically change your life. It's you, only you. The moment you realize that, you become dangerous, because disciplined people are unstoppable. Not because they never fail, but because they never quit. So, starting today, wake up with purpose, work in silence, build yourself mentally, physically, financially. And remember this, success is not owned by the smartest people. It is earned by the people who refuse to give up. Years from now, you will either say, I'm glad I kept going, or I wish I started earlier. The choice is yours, right here, right now. This could be the day everything changes. Now, get up and go build the life you deserve. Subscribe Nami Motivation for more motivational videos.